Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. This is Kajal, a volunteer member of Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. So let's begin a lesson for today. Today's topic is Automated Fingerprint Identification System. In this lesson, we are going to study Introduction of AFIS. What is biometric? Types of biometrics. How does AFIS work? Fingerprint identification. What kind of functions are performed by the AFIS? And a case study. Introduction. Automated fingerprint identification system is a biometric system which is known as to recognize individuals by using their fingerprints and palm prints. This technique was developed in the early 1960s for the purpose of searching, classifying in a computerized manner rather than physically. This technique is first and foremost used by law enforcement agencies for criminal identification purposes. The most prime of which is the identification of a person suspected to committing a crime or linking a suspect to other unsolved crimes. Later on, it is accepted by the worldwide for general identification and fraud prevention. What is biometric? Biometric is any system that serves to identify an individual based on their anatomical structure or behavioral traits. Biometry is divided into two parts. First is physiological and second one is behavioral. Physiological means related to body part, means any skeletal structure such as face recognition, fingerprint recognition, hand vein pattern recognition, iris, DNA matching. And if we are talking about behavioral, it is related to someone's behavior or someone's habit such as keystroke, signature, and voice recognition. How does AFIS work? Every fingerprint is different, and this is a universal fact that no two fingerprints are identical. AFIS main functions are to store, classify, and search tamperints and latent records from arrest person. What is tampering and what is latent record that we will discuss in upcoming slide. As it is a kind of biometric system, here we uses digital imaging to record a fingerprint. Then compare this with the existing recorded database. If hit, then response suspects identity and criminal history. If not hit, then tamperints that do not match registered to database. Means here a new registration will be occur. law enforcement AFIS performs the following function. Search for a set of non-fingerprint, that is handprint, against a handprint existing records. In this inquiry, we compares the latent print from the crime scene with the fingerprint that are stored in a database to identify the perpetrator of the crime. Third, search for a latent print found at the crime scene against existing unsolved crime database record. In this inquiry, we compares that the fingerprint of offender with latent print on file from unsolved crimes to see if the suspect committed previous offences. Fourth, search for a new handprint against the record of existing cold case unsolved case database. Means in this inquiry we compares a latent print from a crime scene with the latent print on file from unsolved crimes to see if the same person has committed other crimes or not. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.